this is one of the things that I love most doing, most especially that is arranging things. Welcome back, guys. Hello everyone. Let me tell you what really happened on this video. As usual, you guys already know that we are here in Romania. So my husband went to the supermarket to go and buy food items. As usual, I do not love going to supermarket all the time, so my husband always do that. So after buying the food items, he brought it home because he knows that I love arranging food items in the fridge, in the corner of the house, everything. Doing my work as a woman, taking care of the house, arranging the stuff in the fridge and all over the places. So I decided to take a moment. I was playing music at the background. I was dancing, listening to the music, and I still have my cup of wine with me. I just wanted to shayo my hair. I beg go, shayo, because they say no time to check time. You can see I was so beautiful and sexy on this video. So I take a cup of my drink. I was just taking it, sipping it a little bit. Then I will still go back to work. I will still go back to work, but I just wanted to feel the vibe of this music. Oh my God, the music was really busting my brain. Now I'm not as they be now. After dancing, I will continue systemizing the stuff. Although Obi bought me fish because I love fish the most, a lot. Then we bought a lot of things: banana, fruit, fish, pasta, and a stew that is already prepared. That is a Italian stew because we find it here in Romania too. So sometimes Obi do use it to make pasta and eat it immediately. So we bought Coke, avocado, and other things. Look at, I was just excited when I saw avocado, really. Then we bought chips, that is potato chips that we are going to fry or put it in the oven anytime that we want to make that is a barbecue meat. So we need chips and some vegetable with it. Then bottle of tomatoes, I was just systemizing them. I'm sorry. Then with Italian chips that we put on top of pasta when we are eating pasta. Then doing all this work, so I started folding the bag that Obi bought from the supermarket that we used to do our shopping and everything. I was just folding it because I wanted to systemize them in a way that when we want to use it again, we can find it quickly and everything will be arranged. So see me here again, like Pashande skeleton. I start dancing again, drinking my wine, sipping my wine, start dancing. It's like that day was a good mood to me. Oh my God, I was just feeling the vibe of the music. It is Obi that puts this music because my husband loves Nigerian music, so he always look for the best music to put on. Just a cool moment at home. We'll just be having fun. So once he knows that, once he has put the music, so he always know that I'm going to dance. Okay, I'm going to dance to the music, but I cannot play the music here right now because of Facebook copyright and other stuff. So I decided to select this video and start explaining to it so that you guys will understand. That is what actually happened. But as for me, I love going for shopping. I love going to supermarket to go and buy food items, but not all the time. So every time I always send Obi to go and do it for me, to go and buy the food items and bring it home. So when he will bring it home, I'm the one that is going to take care of the food items. See me now, I just the waka up and down, they dance, they go, wait till hold this woman here. Wait till they do me here. I was just in happy mood and happy moment. You know that it is not all the time that you are in happy mood. One love, guys.